Alright folks, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's a very special video. I've got some clips of the 911 festival that we went to. We got to present the special knife we done to Aaron Tippin, and man, it was just a great experience all the way around. I was nervous about it, and nervous about meeting a celebrity like that. So listen, he was so down to earth, just like us, and man, he loved the knife, loved the display it was on. I mean, it couldn't have went better. It was awesome experience. So got some clips of that. Got some clips of the concert going on. Got some clips from Jolly Dan's in there. We'll add some pictures we took. Just an awesome experience. I loved it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank y'all for all you do. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Love y'all. God bless.
I missed everything. We missed everything.
They do live broadcasting from here.
That's awesome.
And it'd be nice if we could just keep this in here displayed all the time. Alright folks, I thought I'd give y'all a little shot of Jolly Dan's in here, all cleaned up. We're getting prepared for our 911 festival. We're going to present our custom knife that we done to Aaron Tippin today. Let's see it right there. And if y'all will look in these display cases, y'all will see some of my handiwork, some of my display stands and stuff featured in there. They've got a really impressive knife area back here. Done a lot of work since they opened this store up. And on this side over here, you'll see a little more of my creations, display stands. But there's a lot going on with the store today. A lot going on with the town of Haleville. This is a pretty big festival every year. You know, Haleville was the place where the first 911 call was made, so they celebrate all the first responders and firefighters, policemen, rescue, all that every year with this festival. And we get to meet Aaron Tippin this year and present him the knife, so super excited about that.
Of course, I was talking to them.
That's okay. I just want to get a little video of it. I'm gonna do some video of the back there too, if you don't mind.
Yeah, I cleaned it up.
I want to add it to my one I'm putting up.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, tell me no. Okay, this goes in this bag, but this bag does not go in that bag. Was what I meant.
Okay.
Well, it's for first. This is for first responders. You can register for. You can
Register for.
Yeah, you can register for.
JB the bait, honey, and a battery powered radio.
Ah. That one.
Battery powered radio. I can open this.
Yep, and they sell them.
Y'all go on in.
Oh yeah, it does.
Thank you.
Y'all come on in. There you go. Oh, buddy. Aaron Tippin, how you doing? Yes, sir. Whoa, wait a minute.
We came bearing gifts.
Well, we love that.
Hey, you know who don't like it?
Yes, I love to.
What is it?
Well,
you know,
tell you what.
it's one of them
Can
super
we
guys.
wait just 1 second? Can we wait a second? Megan's coming.
Oh, man. Look at that.
A little more here. You can grab onto this.
Holy smack. That is so cool.
Now that's a stone handle custom case now.
Only one in the world like it.
Custom display. That's the display's all handmade.
That is so cool.
Can you scoot up, Emily?
Man, guys. Hey, that's an appreciation for what you do.
Yes.
Appreciate y'all coming to our little town.
First responders and helping our little town out.
Come on, we gotta get pictures. We gotta get pictures.
All right, I'm ready.
Yes, Emily needs to too.
Yeah, is somebody else doing it? Because I think it's the button. Okay.
Got it?
I think so. That's okay. Did you do some?
Y'all get in here.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, another picture, y'all.
Got the whole crew.
I'll get everybody that I can.
There we go. Perfect. I'm gonna go get ready. Bam.
That is so awesome of y'all.
Hey, and my wife and daughter and all of us, we got something from the business.
We do. Yes.
Then we got some information in the basket about all that too.
That is so cool. We know how hard it is to put up with men,
That's
so, you know.
samples.
They figured
Is there any way that you can get a picture of me? Because Mama.
that is
Yeah.
awesome, guys. Thank y'all
We're
very
sorry.
much.
Yes.
Okay, Mommy.
This is
Short
the
time.
one that keeps.
Got my guns all set up yet, my man cave. But all this stuff's going in there. All my coins I collected on the battlefield, all the patches from law enforcement.
That's amazing.
That's really cool.
Yes, and we wanted
Yeah,
just.
and listen, our information's in there. If you need anything else from us, just reach
If you ever
out.
need anything made,
How
let
you
me
doing?
know.
We're pretty artsy.
It looks like
Artsy
it.
fartsy, yeah.
Look at me, I mean,
She's
I'm
your
just
case
over
number.
here.
Around here, she seems to wanna live in all about. I can hang around here forever, but I feel so much at home. It comes time for me to leave. It'll be so hard to go. This is my town. Ain't never seen nothing like it. With all my travel down. This old highway ever gets me up, and I think I might settle it down. Well, this is my kind of town. I ain't kind of just muscle in on someone else's world. This country. Takes me back to time when it was 9/11. And back before that, way before that, I was on the Bob Hope Show, Christmas in 1990. I entertained our troops in the Persian Gulf. And let me tell you something, I'm as proud of that as anything I've ever done in my life. And I've been serving our guys and gals that defend our freedom for a long time. We've written a lot of songs about our guys and gals that defend our truth. If there's ever been an Aaron Tippin song about the rest of us pilgrims, this is it.